Hey folks, Ben from Snowies, showing you some of the Tiegear packs. A lot of this stuff is available separately. This guy here is the Hard Terra 6-pack, so it all comes in a kit like this. So you get the peg bag, the Tiegear peg bag, which is a heavy duty peg bag, mesh top, carry handles on the end, all the same features you get in the regular peg bag. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. And then you get 6 of the Hard Terra pegs included in here. So these are a stainless steel peg designed for hard ground. They've got a masonry type end on it, double loop on top there. 6 of those, and you get the driver bit, 19mm driver bit included to be able to put them in the ground. The peg bag has got little holders in here, so if you want to secure the driver bit, you can do inside those so it doesn't get lost. But that's what's included in Tiegear's Hard Terra 6-pack. Perfect option if you're camping in places where the ground is really hard, think Central Australia and the likes. These guys are going just about any ground, and make sure your shelter is secure no matter what the weather. Check this kit out online at snowies.com.au.